Hi guys, it's Ram and this is 5 minutes abs workout. So what I have got for you today is 10 exercises. Each exercise 30 seconds. Let's go. First exercise, crunches. Bend your knees, keep your hands behind your head, look up towards ceiling. From there, lift your shoulder blade and your back and pause for a second. Then lower your back to the floor. We're coming up, exhale, going back, inhale. Don't strain your neck. Relax your neck. Next exercise, cross crunches. Lift your shoulder blade and twisting through the opposite knee, then come back. Then coming up, exhale, going down, inhale. Next exercise, flutter kick. Keep your hands on the floor, lift your leg, kick, alternate legs. Exhale each time. Engage your core, tight your core. Next exercise, alternate heel touch. Bend your knees, keep your hands to the floor, lift your shoulders and upper back, reach for the heel side to side. Exhale each time. Next exercise, sit-ups. Bend your knees, keep your arms straight up towards ceiling. Lift your torso up, then bring down your torso back slowly. Next exercise, bicycle. Bring your knees up, keep your hands behind your head. Then lift your upper back, one leg goes out and one leg in. Twist your body and bring your opposite shoulder to opposite knee. Exhale each time. Next exercise, knee tuck crunches. Keep your hand behind your hips, keep your upper body fixed, lift your leg up towards your chest, extend them outwards. Exhale each time. Next exercise, Spiderman plank. Your shoulder in line with your elbow. Bring your right knee to right elbow and go back. Left knee, left elbow and back. Next exercise, Superman. Come down on the stomach, raise your arms and feet up, then come down straight. Last exercise, Russian twist. Bend your knees, keep your heels down, lean back, bring your hands together, twist side to side. That was your 5 minutes abs exercise. I'm so proud of you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can work out together in next video. See you guys.